So as you can see, my earpiece, I've just been doing interviews with Coach Hugo Bruce and Leslie Notsi, Lesotho play Bafana Bafana in a FIFA Club World Cup, but I had to interject. I had to find a quiet place to bring you some breaking news. Mayo could very well be on the verge of joining Kaizer Chiefs, but there are some issues with CRB, obviously not wanting to let the player go, wanting a certain fee and that kind of stuff. So Chiefs might pull it off. If there's an announcement, you'll know that I brought you the story that they might pull it off. If not, just know that they've been trying. And the transfer window closes 22 September. It means if they don't announce, they'll keep trying, because there are some issues from the Algerian team that they don't want Mayo. He's not in their plans. They've not registered him for the season. They're trying to do a sale so they can recoup the money that they got. And Kaizer Chiefs, the likely destination. But as it stands, I had to bring in the breaking news. But as it stands, it could be over the line. It could take a couple of days. Just know that I need to go. Cheers.